Hello. What did I do last? Can anyone tell me? Hello. Okay, appeal writing on I-donation, was it complete? Okay. So we are going to do that page 33, simple, compound, and complex. Before that, I'm giving you all a small chart which you have to write it down, take it down on tenses. Write tenses there in the notebook. Write tenses. Now, what we get in the exam is what you're going to get is transformation of sentences. But then, how will you know how to transform unless you know the tenses? So, two examples of each I'll give first, and then we'll do the transformation. So, just take down, this is important. You have to learn the verbs. What comes where? Take down. Write tenses there, heading. First one, simple present tense. Simple present tense. One, simple present tense. One, take down. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Two, I go to college every day. I go to college every day. Now, underline rises and go. Rises and go. Underline those verbs in the sentences. Rises and go. So now these are simple present tense, examples of simple present tense. Next, simple past. Simple past. I left my house at 7 a.m. I left my house at 7 in the morning, right like that. I left my house at 7 in the morning. Next, he always carried a pen with him. He always carried a pen with him. Now, underline left and carried. Underline left and carried. Now, these are examples of simple past tense. Now, simple future. Right, simple future. I will visit my friend. Example 1. I will visit my friend on Sunday. I will visit my friend on Sunday. They will arrive. They will arrive late in the night. They will arrive late in the night. Underline will visit and will arrive. Now, these are examples of simple future tense. Next one. I am writing now. I am writing now. Second example, they are completing their project. They are completing their project. Underline, am doing and are completing. Am doing and are completing. So this is present continuous tense. CONTINUOUS, present continuous tense. Next one, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Example 1. We were playing football in the morning. We were playing football in the morning. Next one. They were watching a horror movie in the night. They were watching a horror movie in the night. Underline, were playing and were watching. Were playing and were watching. Next one. I will, now future continuous tense. Next one is future continuous tense. I will be reading the novel tomorrow. I will be reading the novel tomorrow. Second, they shall be, see, will and shall both are correct. They shall be completing their task. They shall be completing their task at that time. They shall be completing the task at that time. Underline, will be reading and shall be completing. Next one, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect tense, not continuous. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. 1. The bell has rung just now. The bell has rung just now. The bell has rung just now. Next, I have known him for a long time. I have known him for a long time. Underline has rung and have known. Has rung and have known. Next one. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Example. The train had left before we reached the station. The train had left before we reached the station. Second, the principal had arrived. The principal had arrived before we entered the college. Before we entered the college. Underline, what is that? The train had left and reached. Had left and reached in the first sentence, and in the second sentence, underline had arrived and entered. Next one, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Before example, before you go to see him, before you go to see him, he will have left the place. He will have left the place. Now, this is rarely used, but then it is there. Sometimes we have to write sentences in this format. What is that? Before you go to see him, he will have left the place. Next one. When you go to the office, when you go to the office, comma, the principal will have already arrived. The principal will have already arrived. Underline will have. Next one. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Example 1. We have been living in Mumbai. We have been living in Mumbai since 2005. Since 2005. We have been living in Mumbai since 2005. Next. They have been playing on the ground. They have been playing on the ground for the last for 2 hours. They have been playing on the ground for almost 2 hours, right? Like for almost 2 hours. Now underline have been living and have been playing. See, it becomes very easy once you know the verbs. Now the last one. Take down the last one. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. She had been preparing. She had been preparing for the contest. She had been preparing for the contest for the last 2 years. For the last 2 years. Next one. Last sentence. They had been traveling. They had been traveling since 3 days. They had been traveling since 3 days or since Monday, right? They had been traveling since Monday. Underline had been preparing and had been traveling. Now, how it will come in the exam? Now, I will give those examples. Now, this is the chart, the table that you have to learn. Learn means how you will transform. Now, how will you come to know? Now, take down a sentence. Hitesh, yes, yeah. Yes, but that is very rarely and hardly used. So we omit that normally. We omit it. Okay, so yeah, yes, it is there, but we don't. Just like this future perfect, also very rarely it is used. Now, take down the sentence. Hitesh dash. Hitesh dash. Bracket learn, LERN. In the bracket learn to drive, to drive for some years, Hitesh dash bracket to drive for some years now, comma, but he still, but he still but he still dash dash bracket not pass his driving test. His driving test. Now what you have to do is fill in, use, rewrite. Rewrite using, oh, it's not rewrite. Fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense. Fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense. How will you do that? Now you have to fill in those blanks. Hitesh, you have to go to the chart. Now you have to remember what is there in the chart. Hitesh has been learning to drive for some years now, but he still has not passed his driving test. Next one. I dash bracket give, GIVE, I dash bracket give my first performance when I was 18, when I was 18, comma, after I dash bracket learn guitar for 8 years. Guitar for 8 years. Now you have, in such sentences, you have to see what exactly you have to do. Now in the bracket, write, use the correct tense form of the verbs. Use the correct tense form of the verbs in the brackets, form of the verbs. Now what will it be? See, when I was 21, it is past. So I gave my first performance. It will be, answer will be, I gave my first performance when I was 18, after I had been learning guitar for 8 years. Now I had been learning. Some will say after I learned. No, it will be had been learning. I gave my first, because for 8 years, I gave my first performance when I was 18 after I had been learning guitar for 8 years. See, speaking, we say that way, but grammatically, it is written like this. So this is the correct sentence. Next one. By the time I reach home, by the time I reach home, by the time I reach home, comma, by the time I reach home, my mother dash finish cooking. My mother dash bracket finish cooking. My mother dash bracket finish cooking. Use the correct form of future perfect tense. Use the correct form of future perfect tense. So what will be the future perfect tense? Will have finished. Okay. Next one. How many of us have really appreciated his talent? How many of us have really appreciated his talent? Question mark. How many of us have really appreciated his talent? Bracket. Identify the tense. Now, identify means you only have to write what tense it is. Identify the tense. Now, can you write by looking in the chart, the table there, what kind of tense it is, which tense it is, how many of us have really appreciated, So which category, which tense is it? See, now this is what you have to learn that table, students. Have appreciated. What will come there? Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Have appreciated. Answer is present perfect tense. Yes. The last one is how many of us have really appreciated his talent? Question mark. How many of us have really appreciated his talent? Now you have to identify the tense. Now for that you have to know the table. Have appreciated. Now in what category will it come? What tense is it? Have appreciated. So it is has rung, have known. Okay. So it is present perfect tense. Have is there. Present perfect appreciated. So it is present perfect tense. When I go, next one, when I go home, or when I reach home, my mother will be waiting for me. When I reach home, my mother will be waiting for me. Identify the tense, will be waiting, future patterns. Yeah. Now we'll do different types. Different types means negative, assertive, and various others. Changing. We have to change them actually. Take down this sentence. One should respect the elders. One should respect the elders. Grammar takes a long. One should respect the elders. Change the voice. Change the voice. The elders should be respected. Right. The elders should be respected. Next one. I said to him, comma, let us have some music. I said to him, comma, inverted commas, I said to him, comma, and in inverted commas, let us have some music. Close inverted commas, full stop. Change into indirect speech. In the bracket, write change into indirect speech. Answer will be I suggested to him that we should have some music. That we should have some music. Next one. Happy is the man who acquires the habit of reading. Happy is the man who acquires, ACQUIRES. Happy is the man who acquires the habit of reading. Make it simple. Now, or you write in simple sentence, make it a simple sentence. Now, when you get a question like that in the bracket, now you know that it is a complex sentence. Why? Because who is there? Subordinating conjunction, who is there? So you have to make it simple. Now, how do we make it simple? Now, there are two verbs, is and acquires. So one verb, we will add ing, make it a gerund. Gerund we'll do next time. But when you add ing to one verb, to any verb, it becomes a gerund. It doesn't remain a verb. So now the answer will be, happy is the man acquiring the habit of reading. Happy is the man acquiring the habit of reading. One or two more you can take down. Next one. As soon as he got the message, comma, as soon as he got the message, comma, he left. He left. Change it to compound sentence. Make it a compound sentence or rewrite it as a compound sentence. Change it to compound, right? As soon as he got the message, he left. Change it to compound. Now in the bracket compound, that means it is either simple or complex. So when you see as means it now, see you have to learn those subordinating conjunctions. Huh? As soon as, now when sentence begins with as, it is a, or as in the sentence, it is a complex sentence. Now you have to change it to compound. That means you have to add either and, but, therefore, either or, neither or. So the answer will be, he got the message and left immediately. He got the message and left immediately. Take one more. Yes. Yes, but then it has to, yeah. But it should be compound. When you're changing, no, it should be compound. Means what is there in the question? You can change, but it has to be according to the question. Next one. We eat to live. Now see this sentence. We eat to live. Now many will say it is what type of sentence it is. It is actually a simple sentence. And in bracket right, make it complex. Bracket right, make it complex. That means it is either simple or it is either compound. It cannot be compound because and but therefore neither nor is not there. So it is simple. Now why it is simple? Though there are two verbs there, eat and live. But before live, that two is there. That infinitive and finite words that I'll tell you I will do later on. So when two is added before the verb, it is not considered as a verb there. So we eat to live is a simple sentence. Now change it to complex. Change it to complex, it will be we eat so that we can live. So that makes it complex. We eat so that we can live is the answer. We eat so that we can live. Now students, there are a lot many, but now we have to stop here. And next time, I think I'll do drama, or I'll start with some poetry or prose. That I'll see. I'll put it in the timetable. Now, these were some examples of sentences only. There's a lot more in grammar, which I'll continue some other time. Thank you, students. Is it clear what I did? Is it clear what I did today? You have to
Yes,
learn
miss.
you have to learn the table and how you have to, actually you have to transform the sentences according to what is given in the bracket. So that is how it will come in the exam, and for that you have to know the table. Okay, students, thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Bye.